Welcome to Equine Rescue. Here is the manager's house and the lovely weeping cherry tree. So you have to come past there to get into here. And here we go. So right up there on the top of the hill there is our riding ring. This right here is paddock number 1. Paddock number 1 has a 20 by 20 shed in it, and it can be closed off. You see the gate over there. It can be closed off so it's standalone. Right now we're using it in conjunction with field 2. And field 2 is right down here. This is a 20 by 30 shed with a much larger field. And so we are using this right now for the girls to be turned out overnight. It's overnight time of year. Less bugs, less aggravation for them. And this is a very large field. Goes. Tree line is the fence line, or where the fence line is. As you can see, it's a very large field. And this is their shed. Okay, over here we have field 3. This is the largest shed. It's 18 by 50. Currently the boys are going out overnight in here. Oh, there's the doughies up on the hill if you can see them. This has got about 6 acres of pasture in there. And the sheds, their water source is right here. Oh, there's Zippy in the shed. Say hi, Zip. And now we're coming in the back door of the barn. We call this our pony aisle. Here we have our little muley. This is Isabella. And our other little muley, Esmeralda. And then this is the rest of the aisle. Our little tiki lounge for hanging out. Feed room is right there. Well, let's cut through there. So, this is our feed room. Our feral cat. That is not feral any longer. Our sink, washer, dryer, storage for medications, freezers for storing the feed, keep rodents out. This is supplements, medications, you see are there on the shelves, the feed chart's hanging, changes to the feed chart on the whiteboard, and then we go out this way. This is our tack room and additional storage space. So this is where we keep extra supplies, that sort of stuff, and whatever tack we have, winter coats, that sort of stuff. So it's breakfast time here, so it's very quiet. This is Paul having his breakfast. Say good morning, Paul. Oh, getting the good chunks. Then we have Booker over here. Boog, you want to say hi? This is Rawlings. Say hi, Rawlings. Rawlings always wants to say hi. This is the second cut hay that we feed. You can see it's a softer, very soft, grassy type hay. This is for the older folks, which is mostly all of them at this point, but then we have Whiskey. Let me see if I put some lights on here. So this is Whiskey, chowing down on breakfast. Say hi, Whisk. Then we have Zach in here. Let me see if I can get around the corner. You can see Zach having his breakfast. Zach had a most unfortunate eye injury recently, and he is acclimating to losing sight in one of his eyes. So we've given him the big stall so that he doesn't have to crash around in things when he's not really used to the fact that, turn some lights on, he's not used to what's going on yet. So this is Lydia in her stall. Say hi, Lyd. There's a pretty girl. And then we have little Miss Devon. Devon's having breakfast. Say good morning. Hello. Gabriella. Come on, fill your mouth. Say hi. Say hello. And then down here we have Scout. Scout. Say hi. Hello. So then if we come out back here, our RTV, how we do cleanup work around here, and it has a plow for the winter time. That is very, very helpful in the Northeast. Back this way, our storage container. It's where we keep our tractor, we keep our grounds mowers, those sorts of things. This is paddock number 5. You can see up there, there's a shed for paddock 5. And also they have passed, they can go through a gate up there on the left and gets them through to what we call the side hill. So this is can be a small paddock, or it can be a very large field type. This is paddock 6.